Humans love nature to death. Is that a U? M. G. L. Let's just carry it over. Maybe this one. Oh, we got an E here. Something else down there. Then we have a doctor here. And they totally skinned this one. Right? Maybe it's art. Maybe I'm wrong. There's an I in this one. I saw another letter here. Somewhere. Who was that? They'd be sitting in. Oh, here it is, in a certain way to see this stuff. A G and a K. This is a high country. Stuff grows very slowly here. The elevation, I believe, is about 7,000, 8,000 feet. You can check it out for yourself. I'm sure a lot of you want to come here. It's Crater Lake, California.